Thank you for being here. This is Max Alternative, and we help you get more clients. How can you create unlimited email addresses so that you can add them to your Instantly account or any other platform that you want to run your campaign from? I'm going to dive in direct to the point, simple and straightforward. The first thing that you need is you need to have this web hosting control panel. This is similar to control panel, but this one is absolutely for free because it is on general purpose license. So what do you need to do? You just need to get a VPS from here, go to email belt, and then go to cold email VPS. Choose a VPS of your kind here. I highly recommend SSD Cloud 3 or Cloud T. And then after you have this, you're going to get the VPS credentials. And then from there, the next step is for you to install the cyber panel. And how do you install cyber panel? It is simple and straightforward. I've done a video on this. I'm going to leave the link somewhere in this video so that you can follow through. And in case you need help in terms of installation, we will do that absolutely for free if you buy a VPS with us, an annual plan VPS with us. We're going to install the cyber panel absolutely for free. So how do you dive in after you have installed your cyber panel? You just log into your cyber panel here that way, and then you come to websites, and then you come to create website, and then you come to this area here. This is where you are going to add your domain. This is where you will add your domain. You can use any domain that you have, but most importantly is once you have this domain here, I suggest you use PHP 8.0, select SSL, select DKIM, and then create mail domain, and then create website. There are a few things that you need to take care of. Is number one, you need to add an A record to your domain provider. The next thing that you need to take care of is you need to add an SPF record. Let me show you how you will get this. After you create the website, you come to DNS and then add or delete records. You can choose any of these domains. So let me choose this one. So you are going to go to your domain provider, and then you're going to add an A record with this, such an A record, and then you're going to add this record here, mail.yourdomain, then you add your IP address. The other record that you're going to add is an MX record, priority 10. This is the one that you're going to add here. As you can see it, mail.yourdomain, priority 10. That is the next record. The other record that you're going to add is an SPF record. As you can see it here, at your domain, SPF record, that way. And the last two records that you're going to add is DKIM record. As you can see it here. The other record that you're going to add is this one, DKIM, default at the DKIM key, the domain, and then this is the record. You're going to copy that in your domain provider. So for instance, if I have this, it is quite simple to add a domain. And then once you've done all of that, you're going to come to instantly. Don't forget to add the DMARC. The next step you're going to do is create email. And then you come here to select website. And then, for instance, I can select this website. And then I'm going to use at, and then put a password there, then create email. So your email is created successfully. So we're going to add this email address to our Instantly account. So you log into your Instantly account, we'll create add new, create IMAP, single provider. I'm gonna leave it that way. Our email address is this. Click on next. Our password, you put in the password you put in when you're creating the email address, and then you put in the IMAP host. It is that, and then you hit on next. If there is something wrong, IMAP connection will be failed, but if it's okay, it will be successful. The next thing is the SMTP connection. You click on again mail.dat, retain it as it is, and then submit. There you go. It is added successfully. The next thing that you want to do is you want to start the warm-up process. So let me refresh this so that I see here it is. I just need to come here and hit enable warm-up. And that is as simple as you can see it. Again, you can modify in terms of the settings, in terms of how you want the volume you want in terms of the warm-up. But these are the recommendeds here. You can change the tag, and you can also change the reply rate as you can see it here. So that's how you add an email address in Instantly. And the beauty about CyberPanel is you can add unlimited email addresses. If, for instance, you come to packages, modify package, and then you come to default, as you can see here, you have the option of unlimited email addresses here. So you just need to put in 0 in your CyberPanel and then click on modify package, as you can see it in my CyberPanel here. So that's all I had for you for today. In case you need help, reach out to us and we'll be able to help you. Thank you and see you on the next one.